The Barclays app. How to register the Barclays app on a new device. You'll need a UK mobile number and your existing device to register for the Barclays app. To get started, download the app on your new device. Then tap I have a Barclays account. Next, enter a 5-digit passcode for your new device. Choose a passcode that can't be guessed easily. You'll need to enter the passcode twice to confirm it. For your security, never tell anyone your passcode. You can also use Face ID or your fingerprint to log in more securely. We'll show you how to switch on Face ID in this video. Enter your passcode again to confirm it. Read through the terms and conditions and tap Accept. Select Yes, it's with me now to confirm that you have the new device with you, and then select Next. Follow the instructions to complete the activation process on the new device. Log in to the Barclays app on your existing device. Then select More on the Barclays app homepage. Next, go to Manage Accounts and select Show App QR Code. Read the information and select Next. Check that your phone number is correct and select Show QR Code. You'll see a pop-up message to warn about scams. Select Still want a code to continue. A QR code will appear. On your new device, select I'm ready to scan. To scan the QR code, you'll need to allow camera access on your new device by selecting OK. Position the QR code within the frame, and if this is recognised, a green tick will appear. Next, enter your mobile number, which you will need to enter twice. Tap Continue. If the details we have for you are correct, tap Continue. If not, go back and check the mobile number you've entered to make sure it matches the one we have saved on your account. We'll then send you a 6-digit code by text message. Once you've received it, enter your 6-digit code and tap Continue. That's it. You'll be registered on the app. Now you can explore the app and check your push notification settings. These will make sure you see important updates that are relevant to you. To log in with your face or fingerprint, switch on Face ID or Touch ID in your device settings. Select More on your homepage. Then go to Settings. In the Login and Security section, select Face ID. Now you can switch on Face ID to log in to the app.